Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the aggregate function in Qlikview. Basically what we're going to do is, I've already created a text object here called max profit by date. So we just go into the properties. I'm just going to zoom into this. What we have to use is, we're saying equals number. We want the max of the sum of the profit. We have to use the aggregate function, so we're saying max aggregate sum profit. So we want to look at all the dates and we want the max profit of the date where we had the maximum amount of profit. I'm just going to come back out of that for a second. So for example, in here we're using the max. So if we copy that function and go into the min and paste, all we're doing is changing max to min, click apply, you can see now we have the min value on the left, and above we have the max value. So we know that the maximum amount of profit we made on our best day was almost 18,000, and the minimum value we made was 1,700 euros. So again, I'm just going to zoom in. We're basically saying we're using the aggregate function, so we're saying we want it as a number, which we've included over here. We want the main aggregate function sum profit, looking at the date, and then we want the maximum amount of profit of all those dates. So the day that basically had the most amount of profit. We can use the same function then. For example, I'm just going to copy this again and click OK. We want the max profit by country, and basically use the same function, but instead of looking at the dates, so you're looking at the dates but you want the country of origin. So just change that there and click apply. You can see on the left the maximum amount of profit on a day by a particular country was 10 euros. Sorry, it's actually the min, so I'm just going to change that to max. Click apply. So actually the maximum amount of profit in any one day for a country was 2776. And again, if we copy, you already know what the answer is going to be for the last one. If you copy it, go into properties, paste, and change the max to min, click apply, you can see it's 10 euros. So we now have headline figures. We have the max profit by date, min profit by date, max profit from your list of countries, and your min profit from all of your countries. And that's pretty much it on basically a simple way of using the aggregate function to get the max and min values from either a date field or country of origin field or whatever field you want. So see you next trick. Cheers.